The original Apple Pencil was a marvel of a design from Apple, provided you ignored the awkward charging process. But with the new Apple Pencil, Apple has fixed most of the issues and it works just like magic. This is your Tech Panda and here are 7 things which makes it better than the original Apple Pencil. It gets rid of the awkward charging style used by the original Apple Pencil. First you had to take off the tiny magnetic cap and then plug the pencil's backside into the iPad. And all of you know how awkward it looked and it screamed one thing: bad design. But the new Apple Pencil, you don't have to plug it into anything, you just snap the edge of the iPad with the pencil and it begins charging. The lightning connector of the original Apple Pencil was hidden behind this magnetic cap which you had to take off to charge it, and that's how so many people lost the cap. All these worries are gone guys, because the cap is gone and there are no removable parts on the Apple Pencil. You also don't have to worry about the pencil rolling off of your desk. The new Apple Pencil has that sleek design which we love, but it also has a flat side. This new design keeps the pencil firmly attached to the side of the iPad, but it also prevents it from falling off your desk when you put it down. Another issue with the original Apple Pencil was that you didn't really had a place to put it down when you were carrying around your iPad, but with the new magnets in the iPad you get a new secure place to attach it. Another new and great feature for the artists and canvas professionals are the new gesture controls. Apple took some inspiration from the AirPods, and with just double tap on the pencil, you can switch between different tools or brushes. Apple also said that the double taps will be customizable in the other apps as well. The new pencil also comes with this great feature of pairing. You don't have to insert the pencil's backside into iPad to pair it. The new pencil magically pairs by just snapping it to the side of the iPad, and it also charges there. To make your pencil even more personal and yours, the Apple will engrave a few words of your choice for free of cost. But keep in mind guys, the new Apple Pencil is $130, which is a $30 more expensive than the original and is only compatible with the new iPad Pro models. But I think the price is justifiable given the extra features which you are getting. So what do you guys think about the new Apple Pencil, and are you buying it with the new iPad Pro? Please let me down in the comments. This is your Tech Panda and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.